robbers just attack Salami Rotimi, this Yoruba actor where they act film. And as we got them, they attack am inside my two. In fact, as I hear my two, I surprised. Oga abeg, wait till you find enter my two. Because boys wey dey that place, they know they smile at all. You see my two, you see Orile, those boys wey dey there, na there be arm robber, their base. Na there arm robber they sleep for. So I come surprise sef say, what did this man find enter this side? The man talk say, he go somewhere, I don't know where he go. So inside traffic, inside that my two there, na there 4 boys just gather am. Say in fact they threat himself, say they won't shoot him. Before he go see, they don't carry their gun. They break in car glass. Before he go see, they don't collect things from his hand. Now wow, boys for this side, it just be like say their own vision, now to the thief person. But this ones, I can't even say, maybe because they notice say na celebrity. And all this one join, I made the con decide, they won't go rob. My people, don't be smart. Make na use na eye, see for on self.
Man, guys, I just got robbed like an hour ago. I just got robbed along my two. I think somewhere around 3 Niger in the traffic. And well, the guys they used gun to break my glass. So I swear on man. Crazy. Collected 1 phone before some other guys came out and started screaming.
In fact, these guys supposed just go, they thank God. Say then these people never even kill them. Because I sure say they notice saying be celebrity, they can't go ask them for something where you no can go give them. They feel even use that vexation. Say, how come celebrity will be saying a big person, you no can get money, but you no get something to give. They will just use that vex, kill them. But I beg boys for that area, you where they move that area, you supposed to be very careful. Because especially for nights, that area no even they safe at all. Thieves where they there, now there they plan their whole different things. And aside down the whole trailer where they park put for that road, it no go even make you know who be thief, who be normal person. You feel just dead there, say you they pass, but people get mind. See person they rob when you know say traffic, the people food they honestly get mind against stick on the rob. But now God save this guy because if say then those boys no come outside. In fact, I sure say they don't collect more than even that phone when they talk about. But I beg, hope say you don't go call your bank manager. May they help you block that your line. If not, then these boys they go squeeze all your accounts dry. In fact, 5 naira, you know, go even see inside your account. And I think say recently, Governor Sanwo he just catch some armed robber inside Ojota where they were even rob for daylight time. It may say that these boys they don't gather morale, they don't even ready. So people where they come out, make they careful. See places like Free Niger, Agboju, and Vokes. If you did that side, if you know they careful. Behind a pepper spray, you go carry your own red pepper, mix them with water, hold them for. I don't know as you want they drunk. But hold something, they very careful for that route because that route, you know even they safe at all. Traffic one go kill you. Then people who even they inside the traffic, the armed robber self go come join, come kill. What they happen? This whole thing, don't they tire people? Let this guy just go, they thank God. Me, I thank God for his life. Say nothing happened to them. My people, I hear this one. I can't make a bring and come. Make a say, isn't here. Here, waiting, they happen. Anything when I feel about this whole matter, what I just talk now, make no forget to write them inside the comment section. Make no forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. Police people don't come outside, they don't begin protest. Say they never pay them salary. Hey, I haven't say now only people where they work government work. Now this one they happen to. I don't know, say you don't they enter inside police people. We got to say the counter-terrorism unit of the police force. Now they come outside, they talk this one. Say no be even about the salary where they owe them. Say as it be, they don't refuse to repost them. Say in fact, when they call them for this work, they talk say now only 3 months. Then these people they won't use their brain and I go die there inside that castina. So they talk say this war where they won't go fight now just 3 months before they go see. 7 months on their pass, they no gree move them. Say now what said the thing don't tire them. Now there all of them come outside now. Come begin protest. My people I beg, make now follow me watch.
Yes. Not that I'm happy to be in Canada, but I'm happy to partake in this peaceful protest. We are tired of empty promise. I want to give a get notice.
Politics.
Before we take up that to this canteen.
Politics.
But very surprised that I'm still there. Over 2 months now.
Politics and police.
That's all about reliever. Politics and police. I play with our going. No allowance.
E be like say this Castina people they want me they grow grey hair for there. Because how person go there they work for now. Salary in no go pay. Report themselves na no go do. What it come be the need? But I beg this one when are they doing? What it come be the unnecessary shooting when are they shoot for? They go carry na go war front. Na that day na bullet go finish. But see now they do a protest. Now they don't stay there they waste bullets for no reason. Protect life with this gun and I no go use and do anything. And I beg this one when they talk say no allowance, no market, I never understand the English. What do you mean? I beg. See, I beg if they no pay on and no go protect left and which one because normally say no they do anything. I make na no forget say because of one a police self they among. When people come outside for like say they protest oh, now they still use again, still pursue them these people. So I beg this one when I come outside they complain. Who in I want make it support on? Because this protest now, if say now even normal people come outside they protest, now go don't say they go don't carry police say make them no protest. But now police now they protest by themselves. Nobody reason and say okay, make they go arrest them. I bet who come be the hoodlums now? They go they try say hoodlums. Who come be the hoodlums? Because now police now they set up this whole thing. The people shall don't come outside say make their governor, Castina governor, Ami Subelo, I be waiting be name. They may come outside, come find something to do about this their matter. Say the 7 months, it don't even they pass. The 3 months, it don't they pass. Money, they no see. Nothing where they see. And the reason from these people say voice say inside. Maybe this money they pay them, now they use to take care of their family. Now they use to take care of their children and everybody. So as they don't give them this money now, it will come be like say they don't do on the losing side. War that they fight, money where they know they see. So I reason all this one self, feel and say okay, then these people say they don't they suffer. Maybe now wait to make this one self come outside. So Castina governor been a commissioner, making a try, do something about this matter. Make no come be say one day go they hear say kidnapping they happen when I call police say they know they go. So making I put the necessary things now in place. My people, I hear this one. I want to make a bring and come, making a service now here waiting they happen. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write down for the comment section. Make not also forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video.